Welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE. I am going to be making some changes to my dining room table. So this is how it is currently set up. And you guys know I love thinking outside the box, and I love decorating my home with style on a budget and trying to make it look more expensive than it really is. Well, I wanted to do a very budget-friendly makeover of my dining room table. So my dining room table is long, it's about 8 feet, and it's metal, fine. But I do want to change it up. So my thought was, you know, my colors are black and white, that I would turn the chairs white. So instead of buying new chairs, I decided to change up the chairs and use chair covers. And don't mind those paintings over there. That's another video that's coming up. And so these are the current chairs, what they look like now. And these are what the chairs look like with the chair cover. And I'm sorry for the shadow, it's gloomy today, and the lights are on in the kitchen, but I like the way the chair covers make the chairs look. They were really inexpensive. They were $17 for 4. So yes, we are going to try and transform this kitchen table. So before we start that, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget while trying to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. And to my returning friends and family members, thank you so much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. You guys are so thoughtful, always giving me great comments and suggestions. I know a lot of you did not like the hands that I purchased in my restoration hardware inspired home decor haul. But wait guys, just let me show you how I decorate with them and then let me know what you think. But anyway, back to this table. Like I was saying, if you're new here and this is your first time visiting, I hope you decide to stick around and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So without further ado, let's transform this table. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, make sure you keep watching. I'm going to try to transform this table inexpensively using this stretch fabric tabletop cap to see if I will like the table painted black. If I don't, all I have to do is just take this off and we're back to square one. So I thought it would be an inexpensive way to do that. And I found this on Amazon and it was $20. So let's go ahead and put it on the table and see how it looks. All right guys, so I have put on the table covering, and as you can see, it's too small for my table. My table is actually wider than the cover. However, with that being said, I think I will absolutely love my table being black with the white chairs. I think it will look absolutely amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this table, and we're still gonna put it together, see how it would look if it were all black. And yeah, I'm gonna come back and show you the finished look. So make sure you keep watching. All right, friends, so I decided to take lemons and make them into lemonade. Since the table covering was too small, I decided to just put some placemats underneath to take up the space, just to see if I will enjoy the look of the table being black. So again, think outside the box. That's how it's looking right now. I know it's looking a little sketchy, but wait until I get it all put together and then you won't even notice that area. So I've added my velvet placemats that I picked up from Pier 1. Absolutely love them. I use them a lot. So we are going to finish off the table and come back and see the finished results. All right, friends, so this is how our table is looking in black, and I love it. I love the way it looks. So I think we will go ahead and proceed with painting our table black and getting some white chairs. But for now, I think the table cover and the chair covers are working just fine. Maybe I'll live with it for a while and see how we like it. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like the way the table looks in black with the white chairs? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear your opinion, but I absolutely love the black. Black and white are my signature colors, as you guys all know, and I think this fits perfectly with my aesthetic, which means eventually I will need to change this chandelier. I have an idea of what I want to do. We'll see if it works. But this is how the table is looking. So if you have enjoyed this impromptu tablescape setting, leave me a comment down below. If you enjoy the content, please like, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you become a part of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. I am just using things I already had around the house. As I said, I have my Pier 1 placemats, these candle holders that normally sit on my fireplace, this vase that I picked up on clearance from HomeGoods, flowers. These are the little baby pumpkins that I picked up from Joann's, and I think they look absolutely perfect on this table. I can't wait to style it out for fall. So if you are not yet subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you do not miss any of my fall videos. HomeGoods, the flowers are from Amazon. My crystal stemware is from the Goodwill, as well as my silverware. The trays, the black trays, are from Amazon. The glass plates are from Dollar Tree, and the bowl is from TJ Maxx, a set of 4 for $7.99. So I really enjoyed putting this together. Again, I had to think outside the box to fill in this little space because the table covering was too small, but I don't really think you notice it as much with everything that is going on the table. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear your thoughts. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye, guys.